Just look how delicious and brown this potato wedges are looking. I couldn't resist. I had to show you what it looks like on the inside. You see how soft it is on the inside and nice and crispy on the outside. So very soon I'm going to be adding some cheese just to make it, give it that extra cheesy um you know, feel as well. So I'm putting some cheese on it now, and it's going to go in the oven, in the hot oven, for about 10 minutes till the cheese is all melted, and then I'll be showing you this cheesy delicious potato wedges that I made. Yes guys, here is the cheesy potato wedges, fresh out of the oven, nice and cheesy and delicious and scrumptious. So I'm going to be showing you on a plate, you know, what it looks like. I can't resist. I have to show you. So I'm taking one and I'm just going to be, you know, opening up with my fork and see how soft it is on the inside and nice and crispy it is on the outside. So guys, here it is. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.